Hi, I'm Shaun. I'm Senior Energy Advisor here at Utilityfair.
ESB is rolling out smart electricity meters across Ireland. Should businesses opt for a smart meter or stick to a traditional one?
So making the switch to a business smart meter is a big decision. Let's talk through the pros and cons. Let's start with the benefits. Firstly, no more meter readings, which is great. Smart meters automatically transmit their readings to ESB Networks, so that you'll always get accurate billing, no matter what. Secondly, you'll qualify for time of use tariffs and smart plans. These are beneficial especially for businesses that work outside of peak hours. Now let's take a look at the downsides. Firstly, smart plans can be overly complex and usually end up being more expensive, particularly for businesses that operate in peak hours. Smart plans apply a peak rate between the hours of 5 and 7 p.m, which is significantly higher than your usual rate. One major downside of switching to a smart plan is that once you have switched, you can never switch back to a standard plan. This means that it's really important to carefully consider the decision before making the switch. And finally, to get the most out of your smart plan, you have to proactively manage your energy usage. Simply getting the insights about your usage will save you no money.
What are Utilityfair commercial customers doing?
My advice to our customers is to allow ESB to come and install the meter so that you get all of the benefits. However, smart plans are more expensive than standard plans at the moment, so I recommend our customers stick to a standard plan for now.
How can Utilityfair help customers make the decision?
Utilityfair is Ireland's largest commercial energy broker with over 20,000 customers and over 1,600 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. We look at tariffs and rates all day long, so if you have any questions in relation to your business, give us a shout on 01 547 0999 or visit www.utilityfair.ie.